What's that? What's that? What do you mean that you think this isn't a good idea? This is a great idea. You have to quit thinking about yourself. We have an audience out there that we have to please, and you have to think about the greater good, not just about yourself. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoy the show. Time to create. Take my pan, put some oil in it. We're going to take my ribeye steak, we're going to put it in there, we're going to sear it at a medium high, and then we're going to turn down the heat. We're going to cook it up to a nice medium steak, just the way I like it, and then we're going to set it aside and just let it rest. So this is a fun recipe, but I found out the most important thing is that you have to make sure that the steak is drained well, and also the mushrooms. And just throw a little bit of your favorite Dijon mustard over there, and then be sure to cool the pastry for about 15 minutes because you're going to put it in a 400-degree oven. And what's going to happen in the oven, it'll warm up the steak, but more importantly, it's just going to crisp up the pastry dough. It's a store-bought pastry dough. So anyway, it's a fun recipe. I hope it turns out well for you. It took me 3 times. My, look at that. Turned out fantastic. What's that? Yeah! He was worried I was going to use him. No, he's too cute. I just need the emotional support. I think this guy's got a future in television. What do you think? Have a great day. Thanks for watching.